Hard shut-in procedure while drilling. So before we understand what is lineup, hard shut-in lineup. So in lineup, we know that HCR is closed and choke is also closed. So common lineup says that manual valve always open, HCR always closed. Line from HCR to choke is always open. Choke to MGS or line is always open. Only two things that are closed, that is HCR and choke, both are closed in the lineup. Now the procedure says that while drilling, in order to make a flow check, very first step, I should stop rotation, pick up the tool joint and space out. Space out is very important because we don't want the tool joint. First primary reason is it should not be across the shear ram cavity. Second, it should not be across pipe ram. And third, it should not be in the annular cavity. After space out, stop the pump and make a flow check. If well is flowing, then we know that my formation is very strong, because hard shut-in is used wherever the formation is very strong. We don't care about hammering effect, because hammering effect will not harm my formation. In the very first step, I will close the BOP. So I close BOP, that pulse will go down. And since the formation strength is very high or very hard, so there is no problem to the formation. So now the well is shut. Now in order to read pressure on choke, what I have to do is I have to open the HCR. So I open HCR. So well is shut. Now you can record pressure. Let us recap. First step, stop the rotation. Then pick up and space out tool joint. Stop pump. Now you make a flow check if well is flowing. The very first step is immediately close the BOP. So close BOP, it may be annular or ram. Open HCR so that you get pressure on choke. You can read the pressure and then record shut-in pressures.